You're my life's one miracle. Everything I've done that's good, and you break my heart with tenderness, and I confess it's true. I never knew a love like this till you. You're the reason I was born. Now I finally know for sure, and I'm overwhelmed with happiness, so blessed to hold you close, the one that I love most. Though the future has so much for you in store, who could ever love you more? The nearest thing to heaven, you're my angel from above. Only God creates such perfect love. When you smile at me, I cry, and to save your life I die with a romance that is pure heart. You are my dearest part.